In the box. 4'3". 5mm male-to-male stereo audio cable transmits audio in stereo format. Device compatibility. Works with any device equipped with standard 3.5mm audio jack or AUX-in port. Convenient. Connects compatible devices like a smartphone, MP3 player, or tablet to a car stereo or portable speaker. Secure fit. Beveled step-down design for a secure connection. Clear sound. Corrosion-resistant gold-plated plugs for reliable, static-free performance. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. It's kind of hard to judge a cable that hasn't yet worked long, but this one seems pretty well built. And it does what I needed it to do. Gets the job done. I needed a replacement and I got this cord. It's fine for what I needed it for. Not too long or too short. My friends without iPhones can use it easily without extra pieces or adapters.